pretty. This one of the ones, if you buy it or you have it, that you just gonna have to put it on. Don't wear anything black because people gonna definitely think you've been rolling around on a 1970 shag carpet and got, you know, hair all over you. So don't do that. Or that you got a cat at home, multiple ones, and they've been laying all over you and you just didn't wash your clothes. That's what they're gonna think. So hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel and happy Tuesday. So today we are continuing our 30 wigs in 30 days. The wig that we have today comes to us from, I want to say, yeah, Wig Factory. And this here is like an older wig. It is called Moon. It has a moon crush part. These wigs came out a little while back where you could like part it, or you had parting area in like a circle where you could pull it up into a bun or pull it up into a ponytail. So it's 100%. It says Brazilian human hair. I'm gonna side eye you on that. It says the reason I wanted it was for the color. A lot of times I get wigs, it be because I want the certain color. So this color was matte silver, or is matte silver. This is the care card that comes along with this wig. And like I said, it says that it is Brazilian human hair. It says a best mix, 100% human hair and the finest fibers. So yeah, you're not 100% human. Like, don't say you're 100. Yeah, you like what, 55%, 65%. I don't know. Let's move on. It says it's heat safe, 350. I'm sorry, 380. And the color that I have is the color that's on the model. That's what made me get this wig. Now, if you've never gotten wigs from this company before, they come in like these really nice boxes, almost like the human hair wigs would come. Now, the style number, item number on this is Lhqd-Mc straight, and the color is matte silver. Again, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. I just wanted to show this to my ladies that love their matte. I love their boxes. Now, this is the color of the wig. One thing I will tell you that the wig color is matching the model. It is a beautiful color. You get this nice dark, look like a #1 ombre root, and then it goes into this silver color. This is a really pretty color, especially for those who like silver, or if it's something or gray, or if it's someone who wants to get one like a I say a more mature woman who wants to get a straight wig and she has gray hair. It's really nice for that. So let me give you some cap construction. I already took the lace off of this wig because I had already started filming and I hadn't done any of this stuff. So this is the lace that comes on this is really good. You get ear to ear lace on here. Again, that's that parting area that they're telling you about that's in the wig. You get the 2 combs on the side of the where the ponytail would be, so it stretches it to supposedly make the lace sit flat. You do get your number comb in the back, adjustable straps. They give you this hair back here, I guess, in case you want to pull it up or something like that. Again, you get your adjustable straps in the back. Let's go ahead and put those on. I'm going to go ahead on and get the wig on because I've already tried it on and I took it out. It was in like a little bit of a knot here. Now, you do run into a track in the back, so you will have to either, it'll be up here, you wouldn't see it, or, you know, have that last piece hanging over. So this is the hairline on this. As you can see, it's thick. It's pretty wiggy. They may have upgraded since, you know, they came out with these. Again, I wanted it for this color. Now, the functionality of the wig, you're supposed to be able, like I said, to pull it up into somewhat of a top knot. Be able to have parting area all the way around the wig. I'll tell you that once I took it down, I don't like it because it doesn't stay up. The hair is silky, so it won't stay up into that knot without you getting it really, really tight. So what I'm going to do is go ahead on and put it into a ponytail to the side with this hair. And you see, it would be something like that. Again, I did not like this front. You can go in and you can make baby hairs. So what I'm going to do with the wig, because I did like the color of it, is I'm just going to go in and I'm going to take this bump out of it and I'm going to just straighten it and wear it straight because I like it that way. So let's go ahead on and get into that. I'm going to put, it says it's safe up to 380, so let's go ahead and not do the highest setting. I'm going to do it on about 300. Yeah, I'm going to put it on about 300. I love this flat iron. I will leave information in case anyone's interested. It gets hot really fast. So I love this flat iron. I ended up getting it off of Amazon. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the final look for this wig for me. And I I do have like cons with this wig, so let's just go ahead on and get into it. Y'all know how I roll. I'm about to give you the real, girl. So first thing is, let's get into the cons. Cons is pretty much for me almost everything about the wig besides the color, but let's just jump into it and go ahead on the dog cut and throw her under every bus that's coming through Jacksonville right now. So first of all, the party area is okay, but you can't, once you take that bun down, the hair's so slippery, girl, it was slipping and sliding all over the place. So you can get the ponytail up there, but you're going to definitely have to get strategic when it comes to the bun. Next thing is, the front of it is so thick that it does scream like wig. Definitely screams 2015, 2016 with that front. It's just too, you know, it's just too thick. The way they did the tracks is so that it will go into that ponytail or bun, so it's hard for you to get it to lay down. You definitely have to go in with manpower, muscle, any heat source that you got to get it to be flat. Next thing is, and my biggest thing I have with this wig is that this wig shed. This wig shed so bad. I have gray floors in here, so it's the same color as this. It sheds so bad that I feel like it has blended in with the decor on my floor because it just literally sheds so bad. This hair gets everywhere. Every time you touch it, every time you pet it, she is shedding. Okay, she wants you to go make another wig. She's shedding so bad. She's shedding so bad that you can go make another wig. You can take this hair literally and go give it to your daughter so she can make a wig for her baby dolls, because it's like shedding so much. So I don't know what the deal is with that. I'm used to getting shedding with blondes. Maybe it was a blonde and she went gray and now all of a sudden she's still shedding. I don't know what's going on with her life, but that is just the worst part I have. Next thing is the Flyways on this. Girl, this thing flying away so bad, you need any and everything you can. I put oil. I put Suave mousse on here. I don't put spray on here. I don't put everything on her to make her behave. Understand that I brought her home with me. You belong to me. Behave. She won't behave. She's on her worst behavior. Okay, so that's that. Next thing is the part area. If you want to wear it like this, you're going to have to go in and pluck it, cock it, and you're going to have to put some powder in it so you can see it. You're not going to be able to pull it up that good without, like I said, it looking wiggy, so you're going to have to tweeze that front. I feel like doing it like this was the best way to wear it, or wearing it in a ponytail. So if you want to get this wig for the color, let's go ahead on and get into the pros. The pros is the color is very bright on it, and it's very vibrant. You get this wonderful dark root on here, so that is a plus. Next thing is the tips. The tips on this is nice. The density on it is nice. I don't know how long it'll be that way because this thing has shed all over me. It shed all over the brush, the comb, the floor, like I said, my vanity. It shed everywhere, but for right now it's pretty. This one, now wearing it and putting mousse on it and wearing it out for the day, or throwing it on with a hat and throwing it in a ponytail, that's probably the best way that I would wear this wig. So I'm sure with all the cons I have and the few pros that I have, it's up to you if you want to go out and copper sis. I think that if she's for a good price, like less than 20 bucks, and go ahead on, you can get her, you can work with her, put some heat on her, and you know, lay her around and look cute for the day. Or you can pull her back into a cute little ponytail, or you can wear her with a hat, or you can do like me, lay her in the front, make sure your back straight, and look cute like this. Maybe going to church, or you know, going to the movies, or just, you know, going somewhere where you don't got to really do much to it, but pet her in the front, because child, she's shedding all over the place. So that'll pretty much complete my review on this wig. Hopefully they have made better ones since this time. Not sure how many I have from Wig Factory. Y'all know I got a bunch of wigs, so I can't give you that update. But this is, like I said, a wig that came out a while back. I'm not sure if they've got their shedding under control. You may want to go check out more reviews on this company with newer wigs. So, but as far as this one here, I would say she's not a must-have. But if you get her for the low and you want the color, then go ahead on and deal with that. Also, check her out. Maybe somebody reviewed her in a darker color, and maybe she's not shedding in the darker colors, but she just wanted to show her behind because they made her a gray or, you know, another color. So she was like, I'm about to show out on you. Maybe it's that, because that does happen. So I will put that disclaimer out there. Otherwise, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead on and subscribe. This is May. We coming through 30 wigs, 30 days. You already know. For those of you who've been rocking with me and my returning subscribers, hey girl, hey, what y'all think? Do you have this one? It is an older one. I know you're gonna come and say, girl, I love the color. I do. I'm gonna wear it for the day. It's gonna look like this. This is what I'm wearing for the day. She gonna be in the front. She gonna be petted. Probably by the end of the night, I'll pull her back in a ponytail, and that's how we gonna rock sis. Okay? Because other than that, she makes a super cute ponytail, and I did get her to lay down flat. If you guys decide to share this video on your social media platform, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, don't forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beautiebymark. Thank y'all again for watching. Love you guys so much. See y'all in my next video, which will be soon. See y'all tomorrow. Make sure them bells are turned on, sis. Turn them bells on so y'all can be back tomorrow. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.